This is the first video you will watch. It is a story featuring Benny and Sarah. At different points of the video, you will be asked some questions, and you will be asked to point at the screen to give your answers. Are you ready? This is Benny. He is in his kitchen feeding his cat Sparkles. Suddenly, Benny is hungry. He grabs an apple, but someone rings the doorbell, so he goes out to answer and leaves the apple on the kitchen table. Benny forgets about his snack and goes to do homework in his room. Sarah is back from walking the dogs outside. She notices that the apple was left on the table and puts it back in the container where the other apples are. Then she gets out of the kitchen. After a while, Benny remembers about his snack and decides to go back to the kitchen. Where do you think that Benny will look for his apple? Remember, he doesn't know the apple was moved. Point to the location where Benny will look. Later on, Sarah is cooking dinner and her phone rings from the other room, so she leaves to answer. She leaves the apple juice on the table next to the cat food. When Sarah is away from the kitchen, her cat Sparkles gets on the table and knocks over the apple juice. Benny sees everything and cleans up the mess, putting the juice next to the sink and the cat food in the cupboard under the sink. Sarah asks Benny from the other room, "Can you feed Sparkles?" "Sure," Benny replies. Where does Sarah think that Benny would look for the cat food? Remember, she doesn't know that the cat food was moved. Point to the location where Sarah thinks that Benny will look.